Hi, I'm Jacob, and this is my review of the COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. I was just in the middle of doing a load and wanted to show you guys how it looks. So this is a super compact laundry dryer, probably a quarter the size of a normal one, but it is great. Has a ton of power, and you're able to do up to 10 pounds of clothes at a time. While it fits in a compact space, you can either mount it on top of a washer like I have here, or you can even mount it on the wall. It only weighs, I think, 37 pounds, so you can easily lift it if you need to move it around. And it's relatively quiet when it's working. So I have a lot of clothes in here, but they're gonna dry. I mean, they're mostly dry. I just gotta finish it. I'll turn it on in a second and show you guys. It's nice if you have an outside vent, but you don't need it for this one. You'll be fine without it. And it works on 30 amp electrical, so you don't have to have a super powerful electrical outlet here. If you don't have one, this would be great in, well, this is a small house, but if you have a tiny apartment or even an RV, this would work really great. So super simple to use. It has 2 heat levels. You press this button out and it's low heat, press it in, high heat. Then you just set the time up to 140 minutes. And there it is on. It's moving a little bit. I could mount it so it wouldn't do that. And it's not super quiet or anything, but it's not even as loud as a regular dryer. And just the convenience of this thing is so nice. Really a big fan of compact dryers like this. So if you are looking for a small dryer, whether you don't have room or you just don't need a full size one, this one's nice and it'll last you for years to come.